back to my video. Today we're doing an unboxing. Unboxing. You're going to like the unboxing. Perfect. Alright. As many of you have been waiting for the unboxing video, I'd like to say thank you for participating in the community tab. Oh, I'm covering my microphone. Fun, but I'm going to there we go. So, unboxing video. It's insane. Can't wait to see what's in the box. Yeah. Alright. So I have ordered this. Amazing costume. Amazing. It's only one item, but maybe in the future we can do some more. I got this Healy costume. I'm going to put it on now. Goodbye. How does this thing work? Oh, this thing is okay. All right. Oh, zip up. Wait, what? How does this work? I'm literally the guy from Fortnite. I'm turning into the guy from Fortnite. Ah! That might be the wrong hat. Maybe. I don't know. But I'm the Fortnite guy. I'm gonna be the guy from Fortnite. It would let me. Almost done. I just need to figure out how to put this thing. Oh. How do I have to do that? Oh. There we. Actually, no. The zipper's stuck. What? No. No! Oh, there we go. There we go. And how do I put this on? Oh, it's hairy. Maybe this is nice now. Just how do I put it on? Is there a zipper? Doesn't look like there's a zipper. Oh yeah, no, there is a zipper. Oh. Not really. Oh wait, yeah, no. There we go. Ouch. banana. Oh my gosh, I'm really the guy from Fortnite. I'm the guy from Fortnite. Now we're gonna call some people. Get the reaction. Time to start calling people. First up is my little cousin.
What's up?
Hi.
What the heck?
What's up?
What?
What?
What the heck?
What's wrong?
Dude, just say what? Dude, what the heck?
What? What's
What?
wrong?
Why that?
What's wrong?
What the heck? Yo, what? Why?
What do you mean, what? What's wrong?
Dude, huh?
What's wrong?
What the? Why do you have that?
What do I have what?
Why do you have the banana costume?
Oh, I forgot about that. What do you think about it?
It's alright?
Oh, okay. Rude.
Bro, are you serious right now?
Yes.
Alright. Oh, are you on YouTube?
Yeah, you want to say hi to YouTube?
What's up?
Say hi.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, man?
Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Why though?
Is it not funny?
From Amazon?
No.
Where'd you get this from?
Spirit Halloween.
What the heck? Why? What the heck?
So what would you rate it out of 10?
8.
8 out of 10? How real does it look?
8. No. I would put it to a 7.
A 7? It doesn't look real? Should I go to Walmart in it sometime?
Yes.
How many likes for that? Be reasonable.
5,000.
500 likes. Walmart.
Bro, you wanna see what I got from
What?
Walmart?
What'd you get from Walmart?
You've never seen this.
Is that a Pichu?
Yeah. My sister thinks it's Pikachu.
It's all good. Well, I'm gonna let you go.
Alright.
Talk to you later.
Yeah, I'm gonna be watching the video right now.
Alright, it's not out yet.
Isn't it live streaming?
No.
You're not streaming?
No.
So this YouTube video ain't happening?
Yeah, it's happening. It just isn't happening right this second.
So people are seeing my face right now on YouTube?
They will, unless you want me to take it out.
No!
Alright. Alright, have a good day, buddy.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye to YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
Right, later.
Later.
Oh, that was fun. I don't think he was expecting it. I don't think really anybody was. Alright. What's next? Alright. Oh, my next cousin. Hi.
Flipping Chobata.
Hello? Oh, I have my thing on push to talk. I had it on push to talk, my bad. Are you ready?
Sure, yeah. What
Alright,
else?
let me just turn you up on my headset real quick. Are you sure? Come on, camera load. Why is my camera loading?
Still loading for me.
You ready?
There we go.
Hi.
Hi. Was that the surprise?
Yeah. This is what I bought. Maybe we got like the peel over here.
I'll wear that for Halloween.
Maybe.
The friggin' headphones.
I can't hear anything without them.
Oh man.
So what are your thoughts out of 10?
10.
10 out of 10?
Friggin' 10.
Realism factor?
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? Fair enough.
Yeah.
Liking factor?
Because we're not animated. We're real.
Yeah.
So the pictures we'll get.
I'm not scary at all. Oh, you can see my face in it.
Can you see anything?
I can, hardly,
Okay.
but
Yeah, I think I can see your eyes a little bit.
all right. You want to say hello to YouTube?
Sure.
All right, just say hi.
Hello. Hello, YouTube.
Oh, I didn't realize your camera was on. That was my bad.
Oh my. Hello, YouTube.
Hello. All right. How many likes do you think I go to Walmart? Reasonably.
How many likes you go to Walmart? What?
In this costume? How many likes do you think I go to Walmart in this? Do I need?
100.
100 likes? Alright. You heard them, boys. 100 likes.
Took me a while to think, but that's the final one. That's the
Let's
final
go.
answer.
My other cousin said like 5,000. I'm not famous.
He's turning back into a human.
My brain!
No.
I even got like the sticker on the back as well. I'm not sure if you can see it. But it is very latex, if you couldn't tell.
Yes.
Alright, well, have a good one. Thanks for joining. Possibly play Minecraft later?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And
Oh my
bye!
Time. No. Whatever time you're ready.
Alright.
See ya.
Bye!
Oh.
That was a success. Who's messaging me? Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. So, I'll give you a heads up. We're doing rating. I'm going to get you to rate it out of 10. The realism out of 10. Tell me how real you think it is out of 10. And how many likes for me to go to Walmart.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, you ready?
Yes.
All right. Hi.
That's crazy.
My head is ginormous.
I'd rate that a good 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
How much did that cost you?
So it's $50. American, so it added up to 90.
Jeez.
Yeah, I can thank my brother for buying it.
It's appealing. I gotta say that.
Very. I
So
felt
I'd
right when
say-
I got it.
Yeah, I love it. It's my favorite.
Yeah. Ooh.
I'd rate it still an 8 out of 10 just because it's just so amazing.
Let's go. And then the realism. How real does it
Um,
look?
For a banana, I'd say probably a 5. It doesn't look too realistic for a
Fair
banana.
enough. That's the best like kind of realist score I've gotten. All right.
So
And last but not least, what would you? How many likes do you think I should get to go to Walmart?
13.
13 likes? All
Yeah.
right. So far, I've gotten 5,000 likes from my younger cousin,
Okay.
100 likes from my older cousin, and 13
Mhm.
likes from you. I might do
Yeah.
113 likes. You know what,
Yeah,
guys?
that'd work.
113 likes, and I'll go to Walmart.
Yeah,
And then maybe play a game in this. I don't know. I can hardly
that'd
see.
be amazing.
Maybe Minecraft. Make a Minecraft world.
Yes, sir.
Yeah! Alright, well, have a good day.
Yes, sir. See you later.
Bye!